Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real, hands-on reviews and breakdowns of the products that matter. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the ELETIUO Soundbar wall mount bracket. A sleek, universal solution for mounting your soundbar under or above your TV. If you're building a clean, professional-looking home entertainment setup, stick around. This might just be the small upgrade that makes a big difference. Right out of the box, the ELETIUO bracket gives off a solid first impression. It's made from tough ABS material, so you're getting a lightweight design without sacrificing durability. One of the standout features here is the depth adjustability. It supports soundbars with a depth ranging from 3.8 inches to 6.5 inches. You can easily fine-tune the fit using a lockable screw, which is especially helpful if your soundbar isn't a standard size. That level of adjustability means it's compatible with most popular brands. We're talking Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, JBL, Bose, Polk Audio, and even Sonos. Now let's talk build quality and stability. ELETIUO didn't cut corners here. The brackets are reinforced with thick anti-slip padding to prevent your soundbar from getting scratched, but also to keep it firmly in place. Even more impressive is the vibration dampening design. This helps reduce operational resonance, basically, the rattles and vibrations that can muddy your sound. So if you're using a Dolby Atmos enabled soundbar, that clarity and directional audio performance stays intact. According to the specs, each bracket can support up to 50 pounds, which is more than enough for the vast majority of soundbars out there. Visually, it's got that minimalist, modern appeal. The bracket follows a low-profile geometric curve design that keeps things looking sharp and clean. Whether you mount the soundbar above or below your TV, the setup looks organized. There's enough space to run cables discreetly, which is a big plus if you want a tidy wall setup with no dangling wires. And this mount frees up your TV stand or entertainment unit, giving you more room to breathe and reducing clutter. Installation is surprisingly simple. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: 2 mount brackets, a positioning tape measure, multiple types of expansion anchors depending on your wall surface, concrete, brick, drywall, or wood studs, along with self-tapping screws and hand-fixed screws. They've even included a clear manual that walks you through the steps, making this a DIY project that won't leave you scratching your head or reaching for extra hardware. Let's say you're watching a high-action movie or gaming with spatial audio. The soundbar stays exactly where it needs to be, delivering immersive audio without interference. That's thanks to the way this mount is engineered. It doesn't block up firing speakers, which is a huge advantage if you're using Atmos-enabled gear. So what's the verdict? The ELETIUO Soundbar wall mount bracket is a thoughtful, well-designed piece of hardware that makes your sound setup look better and sound cleaner. It's universal, it's secure, and it enhances both aesthetics and performance. If you're upgrading your home theater or just want to declutter your space without compromising on sound quality, this is a great pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an honest review. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this bracket or if you have a different mounting solution you swear by. Catch you in the next video.